Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you a quick way to make YouTube videos faster and more efficiently. Why you want a faster video process? We all know that creating content can take a lot of time, from watching hours of video to gathering key points, and then organizing everything into a script. But what if there was a way to speed this up? Today, I'll introduce you to a quick solution for summarizing YouTube videos and gathering insights fast. Solution: using Google Gemini. 1. The trick is to use Google Gemini to summarize videos. Here's how you do it. 2. First, go to the YouTube video you want to learn from or use as research. Copy its URL. 3. Then, head to Google, type in Google Gemini, and go to the tool. Paste the video URL directly into the platform. How to summarize and gather important points. 1. In Google Gemini, type a prompt like, "Summarize this video," and list the most important points. You'll get a condensed summary in seconds. 2. You can also add specific requests, like list any questions raised in the video, or identify any key action items. This gives you everything you need to make a faster, more effective video script. And that's it. With Google Gemini, you can cut down on your research and prep time, helping you make videos faster and more efficiently. Try it out, and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.